pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am.
Recording.
Ha? Ano?
Recording.
Recording ka? Fuck you! Sa battery ng ginagawa natin. Walang 88 na lang ako gano'n.
Ay, sa kanina, muntik na rin ako.
Muntik ka? Bakit? Nino?
Yung bus biglang pumasok sa linya ko. Hindi niya siguro ako nakita.
Uy, dito kami. Malapit na tayo.
Bubunggoy niya na ako eh.
I need that.
Little white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let the bitch alone with my seat mods. Not a bitch get pit, popping in my Reeboks. Talk about a detox, pussy like a beatbox. All grown up, bitch looking like Salute, not that booty. I need that. Little white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let the bitch alone with my seat mods. Not a bitch get pit, popping in my Reeboks. Talk about detox, pussy like a beatbox, all grown up, bitch looking like Salute, not that booty. I need that. Blue white bitch on Depop, she a little teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thought. Shoulda never let the bitch alone with my seat mods. Not a bitch get pit, popping in my Reeboks. Talk about a detox, pussy like a beatbox, all grown up.
Buti naka-overtake ka. Stuck yan. Easy.
Tara. Ay ba? Parang ayoko na umuwi, nakakatakot.
Ay, tani nakaupo kanina.
Oo. Ninervous ako doon. Ayan. Ninervous ako.
Ito umuwi eh. Kasi nakaupo doon, di ba? Mamaya biglang mong ano eh.
Bitch looking like Salute, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched. Why you talking to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street. Looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I was on stage and a million gets made. I need that breeze. I feel sorry for Skepta, they copy these flow, but they said that it's a new flow. Imitation don't flatter me, but it's cool though. Should've ever left the guy alone in my studio. Put them in the coffin, get them out.
Nakaupo.
Ano na?
Nakaupong lalaki. Naka-Indian food doon. Huwag ninervous ako doon. Gulit ako doon.
Ako nakita ko nung wala sa cellphone. Lalakad.
Ay,
Ano ba yun?
nakita yung nasa kabantang kaliwa.
Ganun talaga yan? May mga ganun dito?
Hindi, first time mo alam din.
Nakaganon nga si.
Ano na? Ay, nalitaw. Nervous ako. Pinubahin talaga ako.
Gulat ka rin kasi
Nakita. Kaya kaliwa.
Baka dalawa lang tayo nakakita nun.
Ako nakita mo nga rin.
Ay, nakita mo rin?
Wala akong third eye.
Scary.
Ngayon lang may third eye.
Sabi mo sa third eye, ako siya. Baliw siya.
Ay, paano yung mga pag ganun, yung mga kabila?
Okay na sa siguro ko guys. Kaya mo. 30 minutes din tayo.
Hello guys. Hello guys. Mahala yung ano ko.
You know.
Pagkakaalam eh. Gantong oras, crowded.
Jump it, Jonathan. Jump it.
Lakas boy.
Nakaka-record yan ng...
Nang? Ano to? Lakas ng ulan. Na-shoot ko. Napakaginaw. Ha? Kaya ako din magpapamunas ako. Tara na ba? Tara na? Okay.
Tombstone, yeah, I got a half of the price of a Kudo. Living like a boss man, nothing like Hugo. I need that good price. What the plug turn pagan, tweaking, talking inflation. Peace is needed, getting impatient. Blood, everybody getting complacent. Leg, work, step on the pavement. Victory lap, I'm back in the station. I'm really a psycho, Patrick Bateman. If you see her with me, she's taken.
White bitch on Depop, chillin', teapot, 2 left feet, then Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a freak. That should've never let that bitch alone with my seat.
Hindi siya waterproof, boy.
Hindi siya water mo. Sige mo kape. Wala.
Ha?
Ha?
Ano gagawin?
Kape.
Tsaka lang.
Ha?
Papalit ako. Hindi ka na magpapin ng baso.